In this video, you will see how different failures of systems and instruments are displayed in the G1000 avionics. First of all, we'll demonstrate the failure of the attitude indicator. So, in case you have a failure of the attitude indicator, this is how it would look like. So you see, basically the philosophy is that always the instrument is removed, and instead of the instrument you see a big red X. If we have the failure of the air data system, that means the system that feeds us our altitude, airspeed, and so on, it will look something like this. So we have airspeed failure, altitude failure, vertical speed failure, and also outside air temperature failure. If we have a failure of the radio, then it would look something like this. So in this case we have multiple failures. We have NAF1 failure, COM1 failure, and also you can see this is related to NAF1 because this is a DME that's taking information from NAF1, and you can see it is removed. Now, if we have a GPS failure, so for example, let's select some sort of a track first. So I will just fly direct to some airport. Okay, so just the GPS is taking me towards somewhere. And if we have a GPS failure, there is two GPS receivers in this airplane. So if we have one GPS failure, you can see that for a short period of time the GPS bar was removed and there was a dead reckoning yellow letters DR. But if we have the failure of both GPS receivers and we have no reliable GPS signal, you can see that the GPS middle bar is removed, and on the map you will see no GPS position. Also, you can see that we have an advisory blinking, and if we check it, you can see that the GPS nav was lost. In case that we have a failure of any engine instruments, it would look like this. So you can see that simply the engine, the instrument indication is removed, and instead of the instrument you can see a big red X.